I bought this a few months ago. This is the Victorinox compact Swiss Army knife. You can get so many, different versions of this Victorinox, but I really like this one because it's very compact, it's very portable. So this one has bottle opener, it has a knife here. The knife has corkscrew. It has has a hook here. It's a multi-purpose hook. My favorite function is this thing has scissors built in. No. So yeah, you can have scissors here. That's really nice. It also has tweezers in here. Oops, wrong way. Yeah, so I really like this because it's really compact. It's really portable. Very lightweight compared to like the other versions. I think this one has 15 functions. Yeah, I think the most useful things here are probably the knife, and then also the scissors that I showed earlier. Yeah, there you go, the scissors. Those are probably what I would use this mostly for. But yeah, it also has, keychain hook here, ring, I mean. Yeah, it's very lightweight. So yeah, this is the Victorinox compact red. I think that's what it's called. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to take a look at it. And another item that I bought a few months ago. This is the OLIGHT this OLIGHT 13T EOS. This is a flashlight. So it has light option, has a bright option. You can change whether you want it light or strong here. Light, strong. And yeah, this is very lightweight. This is, this could be a good option to have, when you go hiking or camping. And yeah, the best thing about this one is this actually, this one in particular takes AAA battery. So this is easily replaceable, reusable, I mean. You just need a AAA battery. Just one AAA battery. And Yeah, it's really nice. It's very portable, lightweight. Yeah, so this is the, what is this? The 13. If I could get it to focus here. Yeah. Anyway, this is a 13T EOS flashlight, if you're interested.